Hey everybody, 𝘢𝘐𝘵 Mortgage Team, your favorite mortgage guy on the planet. If you did not know, just ask me, I will tell you. As you can tell, we're at the beach down in sunny St. Augustine, my home away from home. As I say that, I really wanted to take this video just because I had a situation arise the last couple of weeks that I thought was worth talking about, how important it is to shop local. There's three reasons, but I'm going to start kind of with a story. I happened to reach out to a client that we'd been working with a while back. They had terminated the contract, and I just happened to reach out and say, hey, how's everything going? And they actually happened to be under contract. I had put the whole deal together a few months ago of how to make it happen, everything else. Well, they come back and said they had found somebody cheaper. I was able actually to come in and match what they were being offered. But when they told me how thrilled they were that I was taking over, it just didn't make a lot of sense. It said they were tired of dealing with kids, tired of dealing with unprofessional folks or whatever, and they were really just concerned it was going to get done. Well, we actually got it clear to close in about a week, and they were thrilled. So when you're shopping locally, you get three things. You get a real relationship. That means that while we're on St. Augustine time, I'm still taking phone calls, still emailing, and if you comment, say you shouldn't, you should be. I get it. I'm spending plenty of time with my family and plenty of time at the beach, but I've got to take care of my clients and my referral partners. So, a lot of times when you're dealing with a big bank, they may be cheaper, but who's answering your phone call on a Saturday or Sunday? When they go on vacation, who's answering the phone call, period. So anyway, you get a real relationship, and that's important. I hate it because actually this deal is going to be part of a refinance and then a purchase. They're pulling cash out to the purchase, and I can't be there for closing on Friday because I'm at the beach. I will make the purchase closing next week, but those are the important things, the relationships, and that matters so much more. Secondly, is expertise. I'm celebrating my 20th year this year, and I remember walking in on my old processor. We were at a Christmas party, and she was talking to the other processor. She goes, I don't know how Art does it, but he makes loans that shouldn't get closed. He closes them, and I don't know how he does it. And that's what happens after 20 years and doing thousands of loans. You just realize how to make things work, and a lot of times that's from the front end, not the back end. You got to do it right on the front end, set it up, because it's hard to rescue it on the back end. So that's something when you deal with I don't even want to name them, but the big banks, the ones that have the bigger marketing dollars, they don't have the time in the trenches. They don't know how to get things done. And the third thing that I think is super important, as an adult, we need to have our team. And that doesn't mean, every time let's just put it this way. We need a financial planner. We need an attorney. We need a CPA. We need a mortgage guy. We need a banker. We need an insurance guy or gal. We need all these people on our team. And it just makes life simpler. They know you. They know your story. They know how you like to communicate. They understand you. I mean, how frustrating would it be every time you need to make a financial transaction if you called 75 people and asked them for the cheapest fees? There's numerous amount of my thousands of clients that just call me up and say, hey, Art, I need a mortgage. And we knock it out just like that. And it makes it easier on them. It makes it easier on me. So those are all the reasons that shopping local and having a real relationship, remember, it is relationship, it is expertise, and it's having a team. Those are all those super important reasons why you need to shop local, and you need to let me turn your mortgage into a work of art. Peace out, y'all.